Do you love teaching others your skill? Well, then this opportunity is for you. Thanks to the internet, you can teach from anywhere in the world and earn extra cash. In this video, I'll teach you 4 websites that can help you make money teaching any skill of your choice. I'll also show you how you can apply and prepare your lessons for great impact. Don't skip any part of this video. Let's move straight to the first website. The first site we want to look at is Skillshare. Just as the name sounds, you share your skill on this website and you get paid. It is very simple. There are so many opportunities on this platform that you can share your knowledge in. So many people want to learn different things each and every day. And once you are able to meet this need, you get rewarded. You can teach animation, design, illustration, lifestyle, photo and film, business, writing. This is not limited to just this few. There are a lot of opportunities on this platform, and you can also make money on this platform just sharing your skill or sharing the knowledge that you have. You just need to put them together, put them in audio, in videos, in books, and you can make money. So when you come to this website, all you need to do is click on Become a Teacher. It is very simple. So on this page, you can read why it is necessary to even teach on Skillshare. Is it just for the money? No. When you help others along their creative journey, it's rewarding in many ways, not just one. By teaching on Skillshare, you can grow your online following, give back, and earn money. You can set up your online community, let people follow you, share this knowledge, not just earn from Skillshare, but you can also earn from other platforms because you've put together some skill sets and some educational materials that you can sell to people and make money. So Skillshare is there to help you earn money, build your community, inspire creativity, and live a better life. So go through all these things. If it is convincing enough for you to join and make money, go ahead and click on apply. The system will guide you through the process of signing up, and you can set up your account in less than 7 minutes. And you can make money doing the things you love the most. Teaching is fun, and it's more fun making money from it. So go ahead, check the video description. There's a link to Skillshare. Click on it, sign up, and start making money. So the second website you want to look at is Course Hero. So on Course Hero, you make money by leveraging your content knowledge to answer homework questions and help over 20 million students. So whilst you're helping students, you're getting paid. So you make extra money, work when you want, help students study and learn, and you get rewarded. Apply to become a tutor and make extra money on Course Hero. It is very easy. These are the simple steps you take to create an account. Okay, so you create your Course Hero account, provide basic info and select your tutoring subject, upload your ID and academic credentials, get approved within 7 days, and start teaching. Okay, these are simple steps that can help you teach online and make money. You need some experience. That is why it asks you to upload your academic credentials, because you'll be teaching students. It is very easy. So many people are taking advantage of this platform and making money. Through Course Hero, I can serve as an important study resource for students around the world whilst making extra money outside of my full teaching job. So it can be a part-time job for you. It can also be a full-time job. So when you come to this website, you can read on the frequently asked questions. You can also check on some of the courses that you can teach and make money. There are lots of them, from arts, humanities, and languages. And that this, you can teach something like writing, journalism, history, religion, philosophy, a lot of them, engineering and technology, business, science, social science, maths, and so on. There are lots of things that you can teach on Course Hero and get money. Why don't you sign up today and check if you can also get money? You can make up to $1,500 plus per month as a part-time worker. So you can check on this platform and see how much you can also make. It is very simple. You can also make money by referring either other tutors or other students to this platform through the affiliate link. Go ahead, click on apply now, fill the form, and you also sign up as a tutor and you begin to make money. You just need to fill in your email address, your username, your password, and you click on sign up. So it will guide you in creating your account. It is very easy. Okay, the application takes not more than 40 minutes. Okay, your things will be saved and approved, and you can start making money. So instead of just teaching for fun, you can teach, have the fun, and still get paid on Course Hero. So try it out today. There is a link in the video description. Click on it, sign up today, and start making money by teaching at your own time. It is making money at your own pace. As and when you like, you make the money because you teach what you love and you love what you do and you make money. It is 24/7 homework. Okay, so you work at your own pace and you get money. You can also sell textbooks here. You can also sell textbooks and make money. So it is about selling your knowledge and getting rewarded. So check on Course Hero today, sign up and start making money. The third website you want to look at is tutorpoint.com. It is an award-winning online platform. So here they help students elevate their academic performance. You can also teach here and get money. You click on careers. This is where you can sign up to this platform, teach, and also get money. It's a place for passionate teaching professionals. So with this platform, you need to be a professional teacher. You need to be a professional teacher to aid students in their academics. And you can do this from any part of the world. You can do this from anywhere, provided you have internet. You can also watch the demo on the website and see if this is what you want to do and make money. There are lots of things that you can do on this website and make money. You can check on the resource center to guide you in all the things you need. These are all the subjects that they teach for math, science, world languages, language arts, social studies, and a whole lot of things. So you can use this website, teach, and get money. Why don't you click on careers now, sign up, and be a part of this wonderful platform and make money. So tutorpoint.com is our third website where you can teach and make money. Go ahead, click on it, sign up, teach, and make money. It has been in existence for a long time and people are making money using this simple website. So the final website we want to look at is udemy.com. This is a very common platform where people study any skill that they want. You can also sign up to be a tutor here and sell your course and make money. It is very simple. So when you visit the website, you can see there are lots of courses, countless categories that you can also take part in. You just need a skill. Develop your skill, put them into teachable materials, upload, and make money. So when you visit this website, you click on Start Teaching Today, and you be a part of the instructors. So you teach your way, inspire learners, you get rewarded. It's as simple as that. This is how you can begin to teach on Udemy. It is very simple. Go through the website. There is a link in the video description. Click on that link, go to the website, sign up, and you start making money from your courses today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.